on Skipping Rocks TV, and I'm a little bit sick, so yeah, sorry if I sound weird because I have no clue. But we have 6 mushrooms in our backyard, maybe 7 or something, and we're gonna cut some of them open today, right now. So we're gonna do that right now. So here's this. We think that this is the smallest one right here. We're gonna cut that one first. It looks like really white and it looks disgusting. Like from the machete's dirtiness, it looks like really, really gross. So now we're gonna do a bigger one, like this one. It sounds like foam when you cut it open. And then there's kind of like a black piece right there. From the root, but it doesn't really matter. It's just like coming out, like that's disgusting. And then we're gonna mow over it and see what some of them look like. Then over here, this is another mushroom that is going to hatch more mushrooms. And when it turns black, little pieces fall off, and then it makes more mushrooms come out called sporks. So here's that. I'm not going any closer to it, and I'm pretty close right now. But yeah. I can show you the other ones that we have. We're gonna mow this whole entire yard after this, but there's one. That's the other one that we saw is different. And then there's that one that was also big. And there's something inside of it that I do not know what it is. And then we got this mushroom right here. If we can cut that one open right quickly. And then we got, let's skip to this one right here. I do not want to go out of my property. Okay. And then
it's starting to turn porous.
It's starting to be like the black one right there. Like, yeah, it's like gooier than the normal piece. And it comes out easier. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, please give a big fat thumbs up, and liked it, please do. And if you really, really, really liked it, then please subscribe. See you later.